Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC, home of the working stiffs everyday carry. I'm gonna try to do this video in front of y'all. This is the first time I've ever took this knife apart, and probably have to speed some of it up to try to fit it in and piece it together. So there'll be some start and stops and jump backs in. And yeah, I went and watched YouTube videos before I made this YouTube video. So forewarned, I've heard that about the spring inside of this. When you go to take this scale off, it will try to shoot across the room. So I'm ready for that. You be ready for that. Very important. I'm gonna throw something on there. I mean, that's the last thing you want to be doing is digging around for an hour looking for this screw. But kind of excited. I mean, I've took a lot of knives apart, but it's the first time taking this one apart. Kind of don't want to jump through it too quick, but probably gonna have to take the whole thing apart for sure. Looks like all my pocket clip screws and these are all the same size. Using the trusty Kershaw tool. It's a little bit big. It's not the world's best carry, but it's pretty handy, and I like the size of it. It works well in my hand. The bits have held up well. It does come with everything you'd ever need to work on a Kershaw knife. Down to the moments here. So I'll probably throw that in because this thing, I really don't want to pop that spring and lose it. So I'll probably do that off camera underneath like a Tupperware bowl. Be right back. Well, I'm back. I'm already feeling a little bit better about this because these holes are just a good snug fit. I spoke too soon. Good snug fit. So it feels like everything is gonna go back together pretty good. Unlike the bug out scales that I bought off of Amazon, where everything turned into a fiasco, and I had quit filming it, and then I had quit working on it because I had to start cussing. So far it feels like it's going back together pretty well. So thought I screwed up there for a second, didn't you? Yeah. No, I mean the bearing's gonna ride on the inside next to the blade. I mean, the whole texture on these Flytaniums feel pretty good. Probably should wash my hands up, but oh well. And now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to buy a screw set for it because I know I didn't lose them in screws. And I only hope that I got enough people watching that that they're giving me grief about how they'd have done it this way or done it that way. But, you know, first time, so I'll get it back together eventually. I'm pretty sure you don't have to be an engineer to take one of these apart, get it back together. But I'm betting the fella I bought this from misplaced some screws when he was doing it, because I know I didn't take them out. Yeah, probably gonna have to order a screw set, make this thing pop. I mean, the black don't look bad. Challenge is trying to do this through the camera, not in the camera. And I think that thing's gonna look pretty good. Man, them little bitty bearings. Take a look at that real close. All right, just a second, be right back. Back again, back again. Now, some folks probably want to put a piece of tape on that. I probably should have, but you know, I live dangerous. Wild and dangerous. It's about to get dangerous here, I can see it. Just as I said I should or need to put a piece of tape on it. I'm gonna be honest with you folks, I'm getting a little nervous. Getting a little nervous. Now, you probably missed a second ago. I throwed a little bit of lube on there. And this probably ain't the lube that I'm supposed to use, but this is all I've ever put on knives. A little all. A little Tough Glide. It's always done well for me. Used it on guns and everything else. Tough Glide. What does it say? Rust inhibitor and lubricant. You know, I hear a lot of other names get thrown out, but man, this thing might be a part 1, part 2, like a cliffhanger. I don't know, man. I'm looking at it real hard. Did I forget something? I don't think so. Tell you what, man. I've got to throw it out there to whoever machined these parts to begin with, hit it on. But whoever's making this aftermarket, they's paying attention. They's paying attention. Oh, look. It just slipped right on there. And all this talk about missing screws, probably should have rewound it, because I ain't missing bang screws. No, missing 2 of them. See, brains all over the place because I ain't got no pocket screws. We'll look back. Maybe they're maybe I've already got a set with that other. Maybe that's what how he done me. Who done me there? On the eBays. Hey, so I've got to say and throw out them props. If you're gonna buy scales, spend the extra 20 bucks and get you some of these, because I tell you, man, that went to get back together too easy, smooth. Man, that thing is looking dead on. Got the nerves now. Flick it, it'll all fall apart. Oh, did it work? Oh, it worked. Gomer piled it, come up 2 screws short. I swear it, those were not there to begin with. Man, that looks pretty good. Oh, look how that finished. That backspacer, that was worth, I think, 13 bucks. Yeah. Oh yeah. That done it right there. Man. You see them innards on that knife pretty good through that G, natural jade. And I like the feel on them scales. A lot of texture in that. Now we got ourselves a custom. I tell you, I bought these on Blade HQ, and it was worth the little bit of money to get the Flytanium. I'll probably take this side back off, these 2, and go ahead and throw a little Loctite on them, a little Loctite blue, and fret pivot and everything. But I guess I'll probably have to split this up into 2 parts, so, because I don't think anybody wants to sit through. I don't know, man. I might leave it a long video. But gonna order a screw set, but that's definitely set that knife off. Don't forget, like and subscribe, throw a comment out there. Stay sharp, stay safe. See y'all later.